Well, I'll try to hold it steady. Some of my breath art here with an old machine made in Great Britain. Yes. Yes, some of you will recognise this extraordinary piece of equipment. So I'm dismantling, obviously, and it was a bit stuck, but it's not stuck anymore. No, baby. No worries at all. It's loose like it should be. I'm greasing it, I've oiled it, I've pulled a whole heap of bits and pieces off that have gone a bit rusty. And everything works, except it's missing a plug. It's got the plug, the male part. It's missing the female part. And this hole here, a thing goes in that, you turn it and set it, and that sets the speed. There's underneath that plate there is a current regulator. And the handle goes in there to set the current and therefore the speed of the motor. Motor's there. It's still got a belt. There's the light. Needs a new light bulb. The Singer Manufacturing Company, manufactured in Great Britain. It wasn't called the United Kingdom in those days. Great Britain. And I'm really looking forward to cranking this old girl up. My mother had one of these old Singers. Hers was on a stand, had little drawers, it had a foot treadle. This is a modern one. This is all electric. So, going to see if I can get a genuine Singer plug for it, and if I can't, then I'll have to hook something else up, which won't be very difficult. Yeah, there you go. Singer sewing machine. They're still going, of course, Singer. What a lovely name as well. Singer, sing a song. Simon Breath Art, signing off.